Today I am reviewing the MSI Vector A18 HX gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MSI Vector A18 HX is a powerhouse of a gaming laptop designed for enthusiasts, creators, and professionals who demand extreme performance and immersive visuals in a portable form factor. At its core, this laptop features the AMD Ryzen 9-9955HX processor, which offers blazing fast speeds and remarkable multitasking capabilities, allowing you to run multiple applications, heavy games, and demanding creative software without any lag. Combined with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, the system ensures smooth and responsive performance, even when handling intensive workloads or streaming your gaming sessions live. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070Ti laptop GPU elevates the gaming experience to another level, delivering incredible graphics with real-time ray tracing, DLSS-enhanced gameplay, and fluid frame rates, making every detail pop and every scene more realistic than ever before. The laptop also comes with a 2 TB NVMe SSD, providing lightning-fast storage for your games, projects, and multimedia files, and ensuring rapid boot-up times and near-instant load times for the largest AAA titles. One of the standout features of the MSI Vector A18 HX is its 18-inch QHD Plus display with a 240Hz refresh rate and 100% DCI P3 color coverage. This means you get a wide color gamut, vibrant colors, and sharp details that bring games, movies, and creative projects to life. The high refresh rate makes fast-paced games, including FPS and racing titles, buttery smooth, giving you a competitive edge by reducing motion blur and improving responsiveness. Whether you're gaming, video editing, or simply watching content, the display quality ensures that every pixel is vivid and immersive, enhancing your overall experience. MSI has also equipped this laptop with Windows 11 Pro, offering a modern and intuitive interface along with powerful productivity features. Whether you're at home or using it for business purposes, the operating system enhances your workflow, enabling you to multitask effortlessly and stay organized. Navigating through apps, switching between gaming and work, or customizing settings is intuitive, giving you complete control over your system without any frustrating delays. Connectivity is another area where the MSI Vector A18 HX excels. With Wi-Fi 7, the laptop delivers ultra-fast and stable wireless internet, allowing you to stream high-quality videos, download large files in record time, and enjoy lag-free online gaming. Coupled with Type-C ports and other high-speed connectivity options, this laptop is ready to interface with external displays, storage devices, or peripherals seamlessly, making it a complete hub for both work and play. Its Cosmo Gray finish gives it a sleek, modern look, while the keyboard and trackpad are designed for comfort during extended gaming or productivity sessions. The MSI Vector A18 HX is built not only for speed, but also for endurance, providing the performance you need for marathon gaming sessions or intensive creative work. It's designed to handle the most demanding software and games of today and tomorrow, making it a future-proof investment for anyone serious about gaming or high-performance computing. Whether you are a professional gamer looking for competitive advantage, a content creator requiring reliable rendering performance, or someone who simply wants a high-end, versatile laptop for all purposes, the MSI Vector A18 HX delivers exceptional value. Its combination of a cutting-edge processor, high-end GPU, massive memory and storage, ultra-smooth display, and fast wireless connectivity makes it one of the most formidable gaming laptops available, capable of handling any challenge you throw at it while keeping you immersed in stunning visuals and responsive gameplay at every moment.